In this video, I'm going to show you the newest way on how to possibly make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using this new platform called WAP. If you don't know what WAP is, it's a social commerce platform for selling online. So basically, you can sell your digital products there, or in our case, you can be an affiliate there. So if you go to the Discover page, there's an Explore page. If you click on leaderboards, you can see a bunch of categories that you can choose from. For example, social media, newsletters, personal finance, fitness, and all others. Trading, for example. And there are those groups, those communities that, for example, this one, Options Insider Premium, is charging $225 a month for you to join this community and their courses. So, but if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can become an affiliate there. So you can earn money by bringing customers to this group, and every time a customer purchases using your link, you'll earn a commission. In this case, you'll earn 30% reward. These vary from 10% to 50% or even more. But the best thing about this platform, that if we go to YouTube and we just type in WAP, the first video that pops up is this guy, Iman Gadzi. And if you still don't know what Iman Gadzi is, I don't even know what to tell you, but you probably do. He just recently became an co-founder of this company. So in my opinion, in the near future, this company will be a big thing, and this guy will promote the heck out of this platform. So be sure to jump on that train, and you're still early to this. And in this video, we're gonna try to figure out how we can promote and how we can become an affiliate for this and possibly make money on using Pinterest. So if we scroll through the feed, there's this one pin that catches my eye. That is this one, 9 side hustle jobs that you can do 1 day a week. That sounds awesome. And this is in a money making niche. So in this video, I'll try making a similar kind of pin in the money making niche, and we'll use WAP to find affiliate program that you can promote on our Pinterest account. So I already did some research and dig into this. So if you go to Discover page and leaderboards, of course you can choose a bunch of categories. For example, if you are into fitness, you can find a bunch of WAPs inside this category, and you can click on some of these. For example, let's say this one. And if you scroll to the bottom, this one doesn't have affiliate program. But if we click on this one and you scroll to the bottom, this one does have. It's also 30%. It's up to you what category you want to choose. It's up to you what niche you want to choose. But in my case, I'll choose make money online. So that would be business or personal finance. We have 62 pages of WAPs here. So we can scroll through these and find the best one. But as I said, I already did some research and I found this guy that, in my opinion, has a great program and products. So let's type in Dan Corsby. Just like this, we can click on users, click on his account, and you can see his lifetime earnings. And also you can see that people earned over $2,000 from sales in this program, this membership. So you can click on Creative WAPs. You can click on this Vpreneurs membership, and this is basically what it is. Build a faceless business to $3,000 plus monthly profit online. Join the #1 community to leverage existing online products with the middleman system, earning $300 to $3,000 daily without selling ads or face. Sounds awesome. Already 95 people are joined this program. If you scroll down, you can see some reviews. Here's what you'll get. Welcome, fast course, middleman system setup, get started, Vpreneurs roadmap, faceless traffic system. You can also send a message to a creator. And if you scroll down to the bottom, we can see that we can become an affiliate to this program. And take a look at the reward. It's 40%. So if you start promoting this program, and people who clicked on your link are buying this subscription, that is $67 a month, you'll get 40% of that, and that'll be almost $27. And the best part of this, that it is a recurring commission, meaning that if somebody subscribed to this program and they're staying in this program, say 6 months, so you are getting each month $27. So times 6, and in total you'll get $160 from one person who joined this program. Keeping in mind that he's staying in this program for 6 months, but it's just one person. Imagine getting like 10 people who join this program, or 100 people. That's 16,000 just promoting other people programs. So how do you actually become an affiliate? It's pretty simple. Just click on add to my affiliate dashboards, go to affiliate dashboards, and this is the only product I added to this account because I just created this account. By the way, it's not difficult to create this account. I just clicked one of my Google accounts and just sign up. So now you can see that you added this program to your affiliates, and now you can just simply just click on copy affiliate link. So the next thing we need to do is actually to figure out what pins are actually working on Pinterest, and we already kind of did that. So this is a really eye-catching pin. So I want to build something like this, but that would suit this exact program. So let's go to Canva, click on the templates, and click on Pinterest pin money, just like this. Now you basically can choose whatever template you want and customize it to your needs. For example, you can choose this one, but this one is kind of similar to the one I want to build. So I'm choosing this one and clicking on customize this template. Now what I'll do, I'll just delete this text, these icons, and delete this, and change the text to the one from the program. Let's say build a faceless business to $3,000 plus monthly profit online. I'll just delete the last. Build a faceless business to $3,000. Okay, sounds awesome. Now take a look at this. I just split my screen so I can have an example template on the left side and the one I'm building on the right side. So let's see what you can actually build from here. Now I don't really want to talk through this process, but I'm just gonna leave the screen on so you can see that I'm actually building this template myself. Take a look at this one. I just finished with my template for my Pinterest account. Now all that's left to do is just click on share, download, and download once again. Now let's go back to Pinterest account, click on create a pin, choose a pin that you downloaded from Canva, and upload it right here. Just take a look at this. It's so bright and eye-catching. In my opinion, this pin is actually pretty awesome. Just of course, guys, don't think that just one pin will make you $1,000 or even more. It's not how it works. You need like hundreds of those and thousands of those to actually start making some money. For the title, let's go to this program and just copy all of this like here. Now for the description, we can copy this one right here and add some, or actually let me show you one more method. What you can do is just take a screenshot of this section, Control C to copy, go to ChatGPT, paste this image, Control V, and just ask it to create a description. Let's add SEO friendly description for my Pinterest pin promoting this membership. Click enter. So ChatGPT can actually read your images and even PDFs, and it can create your content according to your attached documents. So we can copy all of his description, go back to our Pinterest account, and just paste it all right here. So for the add to link, many YouTubers who are promoting this method of making money would just tell you to copy this link, just copy the link and paste it right here. I wouldn't recommend you because you might get banned right away, because Pinterest does not allow direct linking your affiliate links. So in this case, what I would recommend for you is just either build a landing page or just create an article. So it's completely up to you. But in this video, I'll be making an article, but instead of ChatGPT, we're gonna use another tool that is called SEO Writing. Now just click on one-click blog post, enter your main keyword, and let's see what our main keyword is. Let's choose this one, build a faceless business. Something like this. Click on generate title. Secrets to building a faceless business. Let's generate another one. Building a successful faceless business. Or we can actually input our own title. For example, this one right here. Just paste it right here. Now for the core settings, you can choose the language, article type, article size, medium. Let's leave it on medium. And for the AI model, this is where you have some options. What I would recommend is to choosing one of those that has real-time SERP, and this one also has CTA. That's a new one, and for that I'm choosing this one. Tone of voice, you can choose whatever you want. I'll leave it on friendly. Target country, I'll leave it on United States. You can include details. You can choose how many AI images you want. I'll just leave it on free. On videos, one video. NLP keywords will be chosen automatically. And let's see what else we can choose. Syndication. You can actually click on yes, and I'll show you what advantages you get if you're choosing yes on this one. Now let's click on run. Let's take a look at this article. In today's digital landscape, creating a faceless brand is becoming increasingly popular, offering privacy and scalability for entrepreneurs. Take a look at this image. It's actually pretty awesome. Key takeaways. What is faceless business? It explains what is faceless business. Added a YouTube video. That is awesome. Why $3,000 is an achievable target. Actually looks pretty awesome. So take a look at this, choosing your faceless business platform. And this is a learn more button. What we can actually do is actually go back to our WAP, click on affiliates, copy our affiliate link, go back to this article, click on this editing on this pen icon, and just paste our affiliate link over here. And now when somebody clicks on this link, we are led straight to this membership, to this program. So if we scroll down a bit, we can see more of these buttons. We can change to our affiliate links just like this, and just like this. We can enter those. Try for free. Oh, you can try for free actually. Let's take a look at this. If you open this program, you get 3-day trial. So it is not a scam. You can actually try it for free. So let's scroll to the bottom, and that's pretty much it. I added my affiliate links to all of those buttons, but if you want to add more, you can simply just highlight this text, click on add a link, and you can add link right here. For example, monetization strategies to reach 3,000. And when somebody clicks on this link, they're led straight to this program. Now, SEOwriting.ai has a super cool tool that you can connect your WordPress account to this AI tool, and you can publish your article that you just created straight to your site. But if you don't have an account yet, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can click on the link and get a huge discount for your membership at Hostinger where you can start building your website and connect to this AI tool. So I'm just clicking on publish and now I can view my article. Take a look at this article is posted. If somebody clicks on these links, learn more, they are led to this membership. Also, there are some integrated links into these areas and everything looks super great. So now I'm just going back to my Pinterest account and pasting my article just like this for the board. I'm gonna create make money online, create a board for the tags. Let's choose money. And now I'm just gonna publish this Pinterest pin. Take a look at this one. Template looks awesome. They have a title, a description, and if you click on this title, we'll lead straight to the article where people can scroll through, read, and possibly click on one of those learn more buttons. And if they decide to join this community for $67 a month, you'll get around $26, $27 from that to your pocket. So that's awesome. And this is the newest method on how to monetize your Pinterest account. Just don't forget, guys, you need to post hundreds and thousands of those pins to actually start getting traffic to your account. But if you still don't know what to do, I have free resources down in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, comment what you want to see next, and see you in the next video.